Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to use images on a Google Jamboard, and I'm going to demonstrate this with dot cards. So I'm looking at a slideshow that has dot cards for number talks. And let's say I want one of these images to use in a Jamboard so I can interact with students. I'm going to use the Snip tool. So I'm typing Snip in the search bar at the bottom. You'll see the Snip tool pop up and you can right click on it and then you could pin it to your taskbar. This will make this tool available to you in your taskbar all the time, and that's pretty handy. So what I'm going to do is click the tool and then click New and drag corner to corner across the shape that I want to copy and then let go. It will pop out into a new window, and then I could just paste it from here into something if I want, but I need to download this in order to use it in a Jamboard. So I'm going to click File, Save As, and then give it a name. It will be saved as a GIF file in your Downloads folder, unless you designate a specific folder for images. Now that I've done that one, I'll do another image. So same process, snipping tool, new, corner to corner, let go, file, save as, and then give this one a different name. Now these are saved on my desktop, and I can go ahead and jump over to a blank Jamboard, which you can open in your waffle. And I'm going to use a tool on the left-hand side for adding an image. Click the tool, and now I'm going to upload, select the file from my device. It should pop up, but if not, you can check your Downloads folder. There they are. So I'm going to choose the first one, click Open. It will load into the screen, and then you can select it, and it'll pop up on the Jamboard. Now I can resize it, and I can move it around however I like. If I wanted to make several slides with the same image, I could just keep doing this process on the new slides. I'm going to go ahead and make a new slide by clicking the right arrow. It'll give me a new blank slide, and now I'm going to import the other image onto this one. Okay, same process. Once it's in there, I can resize it, move it around, and so on. Now you have a couple of choices for recording when you're presenting this in Google Meet, for example. You could use the pen tool on the left-hand side and pick a color. There's a pen, there's a marker, a highlighter, and a brush. So I could use a pen, and then I could draw on this image to indicate maybe the student was grouping these two together and then these two together to make 2 + 2 is 4. Another option for recording is the laser pointer. So the laser pointer will make a line that kind of goes away fairly quickly. So you could indicate things on the picture without leaving a permanent mark. So I could say this student was grouping these two together and then these two together in order to get 2 + 2 is 4. And so those are a couple of ways that you can record on a Jamboard using an image that you brought in from somewhere else. I hope that helps.